Students, so yesterday I have given you some assignments and the notes regarding statistics. I hope you will you have written all the notes and all the assignments, and today we will discuss about a new measure of central tendency, a new measure of dispersion, that is the range. Range. When a set of data is given to you, that is, let us consider the marks 4, 10, 15, 20, 14, 16, 8. Let us consider the set of marks. What is a range? Range is equal to maximum value minus the minimum value, that is equal to 20 minus 4, which is equal to 16. That is the range. So we are not bothered about the other observations of the data. While calculating the range, we are bothered about only the maximum value and the minimum value. So it is not a good measure of dispersion, because the other data values we are not considering into our problem. Now let us consider the next one, mean deviation. Mean deviation about mean and median. Mean deviation about mean and median, that is denoted by mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n for an ungrouped data. And mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by sigma fi for a grouped data. This is how you find out mean deviation about mean. In the same way, yesterday I have taught you how to find out the median. So mean deviation about median, the formula becomes slightly different from the previous one. It is sigma modulus of xi minus median divided by n when it is an ungrouped data. And mean deviation about median is equal to sigma modulus of sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median divided by sigma fi for a grouped data. Today we will be discussing about mean deviation about mean for the grouped data, mean deviation about median for a grouped data and an ungrouped data. This is very, very important. Now let us consider an example. Take down the question. Calculate mean deviation about mean. Calculate mean deviation about mean. The question is mean deviation about mean. For the following data. X values are given. X values 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. It is mean. So that means you have to find the mean. It is just the data values are given, frequencies are not at all given. It is equal to sigma xi divided by n, and that is equal to sigma xi when you add 13, 23, When you add, you get it is equal to 72. It is equal to 72 divided by n. What is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nines are 72. Next one. Mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n. First of all, write the formula and then create the column. So, you will find out xi minus x bar, 6 minus 9, that is equal to minus 3, minus 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 5, 8 minus 9, minus 1, 12 minus 1, 12 minus 9, it is equal to 3. Next column will be modulus of xi minus x bar. That means all the values will become positive. 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3. Find out the total. It is equal to 5, 6, 9, 13, 18, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. So this is equal to 22 divided by 8, and that is equal to 2.75. Mean deviation about mean for an what type of data? For an ungrouped data. For an ungrouped data. This is how you find out. Next one. Find out, calculate mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median. So how do you calculate median? Arrange the data in the ascending order or in the descending order. Find out the middle term. If it is an odd number of data, then median is the value corresponding to the n by 2th item. N by 2th. If n is an odd number. If n is an even number, then it is equal to average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th item. So let us see. Calculate mean deviation about median. 3, 9, 5, 3, 12, 10, 12, not 12, 18, 18, 4, 7, 19, 21. So data values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 values are given. That means n is odd. N is odd. So there will be only one middle term. Now arrange the data. Arrange the data. As soon as you finish, strike it off. 3, 3, then 4, 4, 5, 7, 9, then 10, 12, then 18, 19, 21, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and median is equal to middlemost item. N is odd, so n plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6th item. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Median is equal to 6. Median is equal to 9. Median is equal to 9. Now you have to find out. X values are given. What are the X values? X values 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 18, 19, 21. Now xi minus median. Median is equal to 9. So this is minus 6, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 9, 11 and 12. 12. Now modulus of xi minus median, that will be 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 0, 1, 3, 9, 11, 12. Add all the values together. It is equal to 58. 58. So mean deviation about median is equal to sigma modulus of xi minus median divided by n. That is equal to 58 divided by 11. Use your calculator. This is equal to 5.27. 5.27. This is how you calculate mean deviation about median and mean deviation about mean for an ungrouped data. 2 more examples we will do so that you will become thorough with the topic. Calculate mean deviation about mean. Calculate mean deviation about mean for the following data. Xi values are given 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. This is mean deviation about mean. What's the formula? Sigma modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n. So we have to find out x bar. X bar is equal to sigma xi divided by n, because it is an ungrouped data. So when you add all the data values together, you get it is equal to 80. 80 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is equal to 10. Mean is equal to 10. So next column will be xi minus x bar. 4 minus 10, minus 6, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 7. Modulus of xi minus x bar 6, 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 7. Add all together. It is equal to 24. Therefore, mean deviation about mean is equal to 24 divided by 8, and that is equal to 3. I hope this is clear to you. Next one. Calculate mean deviation about median. Calculate mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median. Next question. Now take down the values. 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. N is equal to 12. Even number. So median is equal to average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th item. Average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th item after arrangement. After arrangement. That means first of all we have to arrange the data. Which is the minimum value? Minimum value is 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Here you may have a doubt. 13 is repeated twice, but you have to write it 2 times because it can be the scores of students. So two students can score the same score. 2 students can have the same score, 13. So you have to write it twice. 13, then 14, 16, 16, 16, then 17, 17, 18. And count and see whether you have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I missed 18. 18, 14, 11 is repeated twice. Yes. 10, 11, 11 is repeated twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now, n by 2th item. N by 2 is equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6th item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to 13. N by 2 plus 1th item is equal to 6 plus 1 item is equal to 14. 7th item is equal to 14. So what is the median? Median is equal to 13 plus 14 divided by 2 is equal to 27 by 2 is equal to 13.5. Median. Now you have to calculate the xi values are given. Xi values 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. Okay. Then xi minus median is equal to minus 3.5 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 1.5 minus 0.5 13 minus 13.5 minus 0.5 14 0.5, 2.5, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5 and 4.5. Next one you have mean deviation about median is equal to sigma modulus of xi minus median divided by n, because it is an ungrouped data. Modulus of xi minus median 3.5, 2.5, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 2.5, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5 and 4.5. What is the sum? Sum is equal to 28. So what is mean deviation about median is equal to 28 divided by 12. 28 by 12 is equal to 2.33. So I hope mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median both are clear to you. Now when a frequency table is given to you, how do you calculate mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median? When frequencies are given, mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by sigma fi, and mean deviation about median is equal to sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median divided by sigma fi, where here x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Here I'll explain how to calculate the median. Write along with me. Okay. Find mean deviation about mean. Find mean deviation about mean. Xi values are given 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. The frequencies are given 2, 8, 10, 7, 8, 5. So first you have to find out x bar. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So first you find out sigma fi. 10, 20, 27, 27 and 8, 33, 27, 35, 35 plus 5, 40. It is equal to 40. Sigma fi is equal to 40. Next one you have to find out fi into xi. 2 2s are 4, 40, 60, 56, 80, 60. So what is the value equal to? Sigma fi xi, it is equal to 300. So this is equal to 300 by 40. .5. Now next one, xi minus x bar, xi minus x bar, it is equal to, or you can find out straight away, you can find out modulus of xi minus x bar, it is equal to 5.5, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 2.5 and 4.5. Next column will be Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. From x bar you are subtracting xi. 2 minus 7.5 gives you 5.5. 5 minus 7.5 gives you 2.5. So you are taking the modulus value. So all values will become positive. Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. That is, you have to multiply these two together. 2, it is equal to 11, 20, 15, 3.5, 20, 22.5. And you find the sum. Sum is equal to 92. 92. So, what is mean deviation about median? Mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by sigma Fi. It is equal to, what is sigma Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar is equal to 92 divided by, what is sigma Fi? Sigma Fi is equal to 40. So this is equal to, approximately equal to 2.3. So this is how you calculate mean deviation about mean when frequencies are given. So the values are given to you. It is arranged in order. Frequencies are given. Then you find out the Fi into xi. Find out the mean. Mean is calculated using the formula sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi. So find out Fi into xi. Fi into xi, 2 into 2, 4, 5 into 8, 40, 60, 56, 80, 60. Add together 30. 30 divided by 40, it is equal to 7.5. Next one, according to the formula, it is modulus of xi minus x bar. So straight away using the calculator, you can find out modulus of xi minus x bar. Now you are familiar with most of the calculations, so you can skip some of them. Instead of writing xi minus x bar and then going on to modulus of xi minus x bar, you can straight away come to modulus of xi minus x bar. Modulus of xi minus x bar is equal to xi minus x bar. What is xi? 2 minus 7.5, 5.5. Modulus, because it is negative value, it becomes modulus, it becomes positive. 5 minus 7.5, 2.5. 6 minus 7.5, 1.5. 8 minus 7.5, 0.5. 10 minus 7.5, 2.5. 12 minus 7.5, it is equal to 4.5. Next column, you create Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. Frequency into this one. 2 into 5.5, 11. 8 into 2.5, 20. 10 into 1.5, 15. 7 into 0.5, 3.5. 8 into 2.5, 20. 5 into 4.5, it is equal to 22.5. So mean deviation about mean is equal to, calculate all these together, that gives you 92. 92 divided by 40, which is equal to 2.3. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Now you have to find out mean deviation about frequencies are given. Mean deviation about median. So when an ordinary data is given to you, median is calculated as you arrange the values in increasing order or decreasing order and find out the middlemost item, that gives you the median. But when a frequency table is given to you, how do you calculate median? I'll explain through an example. Listen. When frequencies are given. Frequencies are given. Mean deviation about median is equal to sigma modulus of xi minus median divided fi into sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median divided by sigma fi. Now let us take an example. Calculate mean deviation about median. Xi values are 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. The frequencies are 8, 6, 2, 2, 2 and 6. The sum of the frequencies is equal to 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. Sum of the frequencies is equal to 26. Now you have to find out the formula you have written. So you have to get the median. Here see that the values are arranged in the order. Yes, the values are arranged in the order. Now find out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. How do you get the cumulative frequency? The first frequency you write as such. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. So when you finally reach the cumulative frequency, the last cumulative frequency should be equal to the total frequency. So you can check whether your cumulative frequencies are correct or not. The last cumulative frequency will be equal to the total frequency. Now find out n by 2. Capital N by 2. Capital N means it is the same as sigma fi divided by 2. What is sigma fi? 26. 26 by 2, which is equal to 13. Now median is that value, that is that observation whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. Median is that observation whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. So here 13. So what is the cumulative frequency here? It's only 8. Cumulative frequency is 13, just greater than or equal to. So this will be the median. So what will be the median? Is that observation. So median is equal to 7. Median is equal to 7. Next calculation is modulus of xi minus median. I am skipping one step because straight away I will get all positive values. Median is 7. 5 minus 7, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 7, 3. 12 minus 7, 5. 15 minus 7, it is equal to 8. Next column will be fi into modulus of xi minus median. Fi into modulus of xi minus median. 8 into 2, 16. 6 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 5, 10. 6 into 8, 48. Find out the sum. It is equal to 84. So what is mean deviation about median? Mean deviation about median is equal to 84 divided by 26 is equal to 3.23. While doing statistics, you should have calculators with you because it's easy it gives you more accurate value. So keep in mind that you should have the calculator while doing statistics problems. Now here mean deviation about median, it is equal to this value. Should I explain it once again? Yes. Okay, I'll explain it once again. When frequencies are given, mean deviation about median is equal to the same way. Sigma modulus of sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median divided by sigma fi. Okay, but the method of calculating median is slightly different. Now, the values xi are given, the frequencies are given, but see that all the values are in order. Okay, all the values are in order. Now you find out the frequencies, sum of the frequencies you find out, because that is very important. And the next column will be cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is write the first frequency as such, 8, 8. Then 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. The last cumulative frequency and the total frequency will be equal. Now you find out n by 2. N by 2 is equal to sigma fi by 2. Capital N. It is not small n, it is capital N. It is equal to sigma fi divided by 2. That is equal to 26 by 2, which is equal to 13. So what is median? Median is that observation whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. Read it. Median is that observation. So whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 13. So n by 2, 13. Here all values are greater, but you should find out just greater than or equal to n by 2. Just greater than or equal to n by 2 is 14. And median is a corresponding observation. So median is equal to 7. Now next column you create is modulus of xi minus median. Xi. 7 minus 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 7 0. 9 minus 7 2. 10 minus 7 3. 12 minus 7 5. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Next column, by the definition of the formula, it is equal to fi into modulus of xi minus median. Fi. 8 into 2 16. 6 into 0 0. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 5 10. 6 into 8 48. Add everything together. Mean deviation is equal to, apply the formula, you get it is equal to 3.23. One more problem we will do. Calculate mean deviation about median. Calculate mean deviation about median. Frequencies are given. Xi values are 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. The frequencies are 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down the formula. Mean deviation about median is equal to sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median divided by sigma fi. So I should get sigma fi. 8, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. This is equal to 29. Next one, median. Since it is median, you have to find cumulative frequency. 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 8 is equal to 29. So, these two values are equal, your values are equal. That is equal to n by 2, which is equal to sigma fi by 2 is equal to 29 by 2 is equal to 14.5. Now what is median? Median is that value of the observation whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. So just here it is only 14. You have to get 14.5. So median is equal to 30. Median is equal to 30. Now next one you have to find out modulus of xi minus median. 15 minus 30, it is equal to 15. 21 minus 30, 9. 27 minus 30, 3. 30 minus 30, 0. 35 minus 30, 5. Next one, it is fi into modulus of xi minus median. These two together. 3 into 15, 45. 5 into 9, 45. 6 into 3, 18. 7 into 0, 0. 8 into 5, 40. Find out the sum. It is equal to 148. 148. So, what is mean deviation about median? According to the formula, it is equal to 148 divided by 29. And that gives you 5.10. Time, okay.
41.
Okay, so for today, I have given you the assignments. Submit the assignments in my email address. What I have given to you. I will be checking your assignments and CE marks will be provided for those assignments. Tomorrow we will have mean deviation about median for a continuous class or a continuous when class intervals are given. So come prepared for that. And once again do the assignments. Okay, thank you.